Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix microphone not working in the NVIDIA app. Now the first thing I want you to do is come here to the bottom left on your search bar, type in control panel, okay, and I want you to open this up right here and make sure this is set to view by small icons, and then come here and select sound, okay. Now what I need you to do once this pop-up comes here, click on recording and make sure that every other recording device has been disabled. For example, this one right here, I'll disable it. Just right click on it and click on disable. And the mic that you actually use, as you can see, this is the one being used. It is going up as I speak. You just need to click on it and set this as default. Click on apply, click on OK. Then open up the NVIDIA app. Now what you're going to do is just open up the NVIDIA overlay, and I want you to come down right here to this microphone, and then I want you to turn this off, just like this, okay? Turn it off, and then come here and click on instant replay, and make sure you toggle this one off, right? As you can see, instant replay is off, and then you can come back out from this window, click on this gear cog to access your settings. Come here, click on audio, and make sure that your same microphone is selected right here. So I only have one that was enabled, so that is what is showing up. And then what I want you to do is come back, okay, and click again on instant replay, toggle this back on. As you can see, it's toggled on, and then go back here, come here and switch your microphone back on, okay? So go ahead and do that, and that should fix your issue. If it doesn't, make sure you go ahead and reinstall the NVIDIA app. That will fix it, definitely. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.